Recently, I have purchased a leather strap for this nice metal, and has a stainless steel chain before. So here is a strap of leather. So I'm going to unbox this. Let's see how's the quality. Okay, it is very good, soft with a silicone and leather touch. Okay, it has this magnetic clasp. Uh, I will show you after fitting this strap. It is a 22 strap for this smartwatch. Here is the final look of this watch after changing the strap. It is looking very attractive, and let me wear this watch. How is it looking after wearing on wrist? After changing the strap, here is the look. Just looking very attractive. I have bought this strap from Amazon at the MRP of 321 rupees.